In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Outlook toolbar on web. If you use Outlook in your browser and want quicker access to the actions you use most often, customizing the toolbar is a great way to make your inbox feel more efficient and personalized. Outlook lets you choose which actions appear, so instead of seeing tools you rarely use, you can keep the most helpful ones right where you need them. To get started, open Outlook on the web and look to the upper right corner of the screen. There, you'll see the gear icon, which opens the settings menu. Go ahead and click that gear icon. This is where Outlook keeps many of the options related to appearance, layout, and behavior, so it's the first place to go when you want to adjust how the interface works. Once the settings area opens, click on Mail. This section contains the main settings for how your email experience is organized. If you're looking to change the way messages are displayed or how different mail actions appear, this is the area you'll want to work in. After that, click on Customize Actions. This is the specific section where Outlook allows you to control which commands and shortcuts are shown in the toolbar. In other words, this is where you can tailor the available action buttons to better match the way you handle your email. Now you'll see a list of options with checkboxes. Click on the checkboxes to choose which actions you want to show or hide. When a box is selected, that action will be available on your toolbar. If you remove a check mark, that action will no longer appear there. This makes it easy to simplify the interface or prioritize the tools you use the most, such as deleting, archiving, moving, or flagging messages, depending on what Outlook makes available in your version. As you make your selections, think about your daily email habits. If there are actions you use all the time, keeping them visible can save you clicks and make your workflow smoother. On the other hand, hiding actions you rarely use can reduce clutter and make the toolbar easier to scan at a glance. And that's all it takes to customize the Outlook toolbar on the web. It's a quick change, but it can make a noticeable difference in how comfortable and productive your inbox feels. If you found this helpful, you can repeat these same steps anytime you want to adjust your toolbar again as your needs change.